Hey everyone, welcome back to AWESMR Pop. Today I'm super excited to be at Bluey's house. Oh, looks like I'm a little early and she's still sleeping.
Sure, I'll take a look at the pizza menu.
Oh, I think she's dreaming of pizza.
Yeah, this is delicious. I love pizza more than anything. Oh, you have pasta too? Why didn't you say so? I can't pick. I want it all. Wait, that's so many. I'm drowning in pasta. Help! Whoa, I was having the weirdest dream.
I'd say so. You were screaming for pizza and pasta.
Yeah, I was having a dream that the whole place was filling up with pizza and pasta. Now I'm craving some.
Oh, I can make you some.
Really? Okay.
What kind would you like?
Do you think you could make me a supreme combination pizza? And then a meat lover's pizza with bacon and sausage.
Wow, that does sound good. How about for your pasta?
I'll go with a classic spaghetti and meatballs, please.
Great choice, I'm on it. Okay everyone, let's make Bluey's dreams come true with some pizza and pasta. I have this pizza paddle that I'll use to press out the crust, and the other side has a bunch of topping molds. Let's start with the pizza crust. I'll put in some tan Play-Doh. That looks perfect. For the cheese, I'll use this Play-Doh elastics. It's just like Play-Doh, but it's super sticky and stretchy. Let's spread it all over the pizza. Now for the toppings. She wanted a supreme combination pizza. Let's start out with some pepperoni. I'll use red. We need some more. Yay, let's move on to the olives. I'll use black Play-Doh. We want more olives. Let's do the bell peppers with green. Next, I'll use white to make some mushrooms. I love mushrooms on pizza. How about you? And let's add some onions with purple. Let's go top the pizza. I'll add on the onions, peppers, olives, mushrooms, and last but not least, the pepperoni. That looks delicious! We still have some more food to make. Let's make her second pizza request. She wanted a meat lover's pizza with bacon and sausage. I'll press out the crust. And let's add the cheese. Time for the toppings. For the bacon, I'll add 2 strips of white for the bacon fat. And then I'll add red for the rest. And there we have a beautiful piece of crispy bacon. Let's add some more. Time to make the sausage. I'll use brown in this mold again. I love sausage on pizza. Let's go assemble it. Here's the bacon. And the sausage. I think it needs a little bit more color. Let's use green to make some basil to put on top. That's better. Now all we need to do is pop in the pies in the oven and they'll be ready. While those are cooking, let's work on the spaghetti and meatballs. I'll roll out some fresh pasta. Yum, let's go plate this. We want to make a little mountain of pasta. For the sauce, I'll use red. And for the meatballs, I'll use brown. Let's garnish with some basil on top. That looks delicious, but it's still missing one thing, some cheese sprinkled. Let's make some with white. I'll first roll it out and then we can cut it into little pieces. I'll sprinkle that on top. It's perfect! I think Bluey's gonna love this. Time to eat!
Ooh, this smells incredible! I can't wait to dig in.
Go for it, Bluey!
Wow, that was the best spaghetti I've ever had!
Wow, you licked that plate clean! Here's the first pizza. It's the meat lovers you wanted. Let me cut you a slice. This one has a lot of bacon on it. Try it.
I love the bacon so much. That was yummy. Can I have some more, please? Incredible! So tasty. I could eat more though.
Good, because you still have your combination pizza. Do you want me to cut it?
Nope, just give me the whole pie. Incredible! So tasty. That was even better than the first one. Thank you so much for making my dreams come true.
You're very welcome, Bluey. And this was a lot of fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!